Hey guys, I am here. This is my YouTube channel, The Garden Givers. So, guys, I hope you all will be fine. So, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. Today, my topic is indoor plants. Today, I'll explain you what is indoor plants. Indoor plants refer to plants that are specially cultivated and grown inside buildings such as home, offices, or other enclosed spaces. These plants are adapted to thrive in the indoor environment while they received limited natural light and may have different temperature and humidity conditions compared to their natural habitat. Indoor plants offer numerous benefits beyond their aesthetic appeal. Here are some key points about indoor plants. The number one is air purification. Indoor plants have the ability to purify the air by absorbing harmful pollutants and releasing oxygen. They can help improve indoor air quality by removing toxics such as formaldehyde, benzene, and xylene. Health and well-being. Indoor plants have been associated with various health benefits. They can help reduce stress, improve mood, and promote a sense of well-being. The presence of plants indoor has also been linked to increased productivity and concentration. Number third is enhancing indoor spaces. Indoor plants add a touch of natural beauty and can transform indoor spaces into more inviting and visually appealing environment. They can be used as decorative elements to create focal points or add greenery to areas that lack access of outdoor gardens. Improve humidity. Some indoor plants release moisture through the process called transpiration, which can help increase humidity level in dry indoor environment. They can be particularly beneficial in spaces with air conditioning or heating system that lend to dry out the air. Biophilic connection. Indoor plants create a connection to a nature even in urban or built environment. The biophilic connection has